What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. I want to do an unboxing. Actually, I already done this one before, but you couldn't hear me talking because my music was too loud. So this right here is gonna be the first part of it, and then after the first part, I'm gonna change it to the second part where the music playing, and you see me put it together. So what I did, you ain't gonna be able to see this right here. It's a polo sign, smart portable TV, full HD touchscreen. As you see, you can do all this and stuff, but we're gonna go through all the other stuff first. So the first thing that was on my list, the other one, I got a shear lock. The shear lock is supposed to be for buses, well, for train, buses, boats, and airplanes. So that's so you can lock up your stuff with the combination. So that's the first thing I got. All this stuff gonna be in the description. The second thing that should be on the list, I got me it's called the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra Manscaped. Cause I don't like being hairy, to tell you the truth. It's not like I'm already hairy, but I don't like to be hairy. So this is right here is for the males to groom, to make sure they don't get all them hairs in the spots they don't need to be. So what this for? So this part, I guess it's supposed to be a more advanced one. So if you want to get one, gentlemen. After that, the next thing I got is called Pink Lemon Braiding Gel. Because you know I like to get my hair braided. So I want to make sure I have the right stuff. So they don't have to, so if somebody braid my hair, they don't have to keep bringing their own supply. I got the supply. You know, so that's what I'm going to do for it. So this is the Pink Lemon Braiding Gel, maximum hold, no flaking, long lasting hold, and shine. So this is the third thing I got. The fourth thing is I got some of the Meat Suns. Remember when I was on a cruise the last time, I had like the green glasses, I had the black, I had the blue. So I have another one, I got another outfit, as you see, it's the purple. So I needed something to go with the purple. So the difference between this, it's only a certain color you get, so I reordered just so I get the purple glasses, purple lens. This one right here is the blue. So what I might do is if I got an extra, I might give it a giveaway. Or just give it away. Here's the purple ones. As you see, this one right here is for my purple outfit for the cruise. And we also have the black. These come in a pack of 3s, the one I get them. And it also have like this right here. I guess it's supposed to keep your stuff clean, wipe it clean and stuff. So the last thing I had was the portable TV, but I got some in the mail. So we're gonna add a couple more stuff on top of it. So this is what I got in the mail today. I have me some green shoes, you know, because, you know, I have green outfits, so I need some green shoes to go with it, you know what I mean? So these is good for it's supposed to be running shoes, walking shoes. So that's the reason I got it. So you can see what this looking like. See what it looking like. Look at that. And next month I'm actually about to be walking. So these right here gonna come in handy. And it's supposed to be, I was trying to get the one without I wanted to tighten them up. But you know, it is what it is. But this, we got the green. I ordered these before, but for some reason, the people from Amazon did not deliver my stuff, so I had to reorder them. So I got them now. Because I want to have my stuff, so I had to reorder them. And you know, I also got another pair of shoes that's supposed to be coming. I think it's supposed to be purple. It should be here before I go on the cruise. So when I wear my purple outfit, I also ordered some stuff from Be The Different Clothing. That's where I normally get a lot of my merch like this right here. I get it from Be The Different Clothing. So if you want to get any kind of merch like mine, you could use it. You go to her and you could customize the colors based on what you like. You don't have to just get my color. You go to her, tell her you want the shirt, the clothes, whatever, the merch, and then customize it to the color of your liking. Because it's based on what you like, right? Dang, that just was snapped off. This one, got the yellow. You know, we got the yellow. We rocking it. So we got the green, the yellow, and we have white. The reason I like to get these because now when I go on a cruise, I want to get something that's more easier for me to wear on a cruise. And these are easy for me to wear on the cruise, and they're easy, as you can see, to put up. So let's see if we can find that thing. And give me this sign. So this one right here is actually where I want all of them to be, but I couldn't get that. This one like this. All white. So we got that. All white. We're crushing it, right? We're crushing it. Remember, if y'all want to send some, my P.O. box is in my description. It's in my description. So last but not least, the last thing I want to show you is going to be the Apollo Sign Smart Portable TV Full HD Touchscreen. Everything that you see that's right here, it came in the box. It came in the box. So we got the camera. It have the whole TV. It also come when you get it, you gotta adapt that part right there, take that out, hook up the cord. You also have there's a cord in here so you can hook this on. But this one really easy to do because it had like 4 screws. 2 screws was already on there. So when you put it on and it rotates, see as it rotates, you just slide it on that way. And then once you slide it, you tighten in the screws. And this part right here is a magnet. This part, that part right there, that's a magnet. So it's just, once you put everything in and it snap in and with the magnet and you just go on by your business. So if you want to do the horizontal, you go put the camera right here. But before you do all that stuff, this is going to be the box. With this box, it also have, I'm going to open it up. Try to open it up. See if I can open it up. What I like about it, say that I open it up, right? The installation thing is actually on the box. It's not on no paper. It's on the box. So they built it in. It's in here. You can scan it if you need help for the installation video. They got the customer service over here. They tell you what all the accessories that's already in the box. So you can go along with it. So you can go along with it. You know? So it tell you in steps about how to remove it. You got to take the string out. You got to take the string out, which is going to be like right here. Take that out. And then once you take the string out, it's going to have like this, the instructions, like the smart string. It's your preferred stylish string for play, work, and life. That's in there. It comes with a remote. It comes with a screwdriver, so you go everything that you need to hook up your TV thing is all in the box. It comes with the power cord. The power cord, it goes on the base. I'm gonna try to get it, I'm gonna try to slide it back so you can see it. But let me slide this to the side. So see the base. Let's see, it has wheels and everything as well. So it got the power cord, so you can just unhook it, and they come with both parts. Then you hook it over here. That's the power part. So all you gotta do is plug it in if you're about to run low. But one thing I will say, the power thing is the battery that's in here. It's gonna come with two rods, and it's gonna tell you you're gonna show you. It's gonna come with this right here. And it's in the box. So once it's come in the box, once you do the power stand at the bottom, they're gonna have you slide it in right here. That way you can adjust the stuff. So you put it on, put the adjustment right, the base right there, and then you put the rods, you adjust the rods in there, put the cord inside the rods, line it up, plug it in, and it's all linked up. It has some screws to tighten it in. So make sure you do it correctly. All the screws and stuff is in this box right here. So once you put that in, they're gonna take you to do the rods and stuff first. After you do the rods, this part, I would say I was looking for it on the box. It said it was in there, but it was already attached to the base. So all I had to do is just unscrew it, put everything together, plop, plop, and then that's good on that part. But and then when it comes to that, then they're gonna tell you to work on putting the TV on here. So remember, it's gonna tell you put the TV on, the 4 screws that's in the back, put it on top of it, and then once you got all that lined up, you gotta put the cord so you have the power to it as well. Once you all that lined up, close it up. Once you close it up, they say you can do the camera. You can do the camera either order. I say do the camera last because you still got to do the plug-in. Plug-in is this right here. That's why I said you got to do the camera last. So it got the screwdriver. You go take it off, loosen it up. That way you can put the HDMI cord. It got different plug-ins. It's in this slot right here. You got it all right there. Once you take it out, plug in your camera, your webcam, and hook the webcam up to here, and then you're good to go. So it roll. It got different things on here. So if you could say, but I will say this is like an Android. So this stuff is based on like an Android device. So if you think it's not Apple, so you gotta look at it that way. So when you do load stuff up, think of you loading stuff from an Android. That's what I had to learn because most of my stuff is Apple, but this is an Android. So I could go in here. They got the Play Store is the area where you download your apps and stuff. So that's where you get like Netflix, your YouTube. You can put in TikTok. The reason I did it is for TikTok because a lot of times I be working out and I can't see the comments. But with this one, the screen is so much bigger. The words is bigger. That way, if I'm working out, I'm able to see the comments a little bit better. It's gonna be a lot better compared to what at first because I got good eyesight, but I just need a little bit bigger so I can see. So that's all that come with it. With this right here, this is that's pretty much the gist of it. I will just remember this is gonna be the first part of it. The second part is gonna be me going through all the stuff again, but you're not gonna actually hear it because my music is playing loud. So you want me to hear me talking, you're just gonna be like, that's all you're gonna see. That's all you're gonna hear. You're not gonna hear nothing but just music and me, my mouth moving. But you know, I was asked to do another video. Except for and they said they were just kidding, but I felt like I wanted to explain what the stuff I have so you could hear what I was saying. So the first part is me explaining everything that I have. The second part is going to be actually the installation when I installed everything. And it's a little lengthy because I'm still trying to learn how to do it. It was new and it come with everything. And I wanted to take my time with it and to get everything together correctly without having to redo everything. So now, as you see, we over here rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. It do got a little weight to it. It do got a little weight. And then remember, when you do hook up the camera and stuff, make sure you look at where you're hooking it up at, because you want to hook the thing up evenly so it goes on here. I don't know if it turned the other way, but it like only turn one. It only turn this way. It don't go the other way. It stops. So once it comes up, it stops. So just remember, look out for that part right there. So whatever you do, that is the end of my unboxing. The stuff. Remember, the next one is just going to be a little bit longer, but it's not going to have me talking. It's just the installation and the showing the stuff that I got up already. So I will have all this in the description. So make sure whatever you do, do stuff at your own pace, own moderation, stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Y'all take care. And let me know what y'all think about it. All right. Peace. I holla.